Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My TikTok is very, very personal, so if you want more little random tidbits of my life, go check out my TikTok. It's Jennifer-Biana. Okay, so this is a highly requested video. This is gonna be organizing my iPhone 13 Pro. My iPhone is very not organized, as a lot of people pointed out in my last video where I was showing you what's on my iPhone 13 Pro. It's like kind of organized, but not really at all. Like I think it's literally just the first page. So I think we're gonna play around with widgets and clean this up, make it better. And I've never watched a video like this before, but this was like recommended for me to do. So thank you so much for giving me video ideas. I be listening. I'm gonna try. This is gonna be good for me. If you have any other suggestions, please comment that down below and let's get into it. Okay, so this is my phone and I have a fall background right now that I really love, and let's get into organizing it. So this is my home screen. I do have one widget here. It's this cute little calendar. It's not connected to my Google Calendar, so it doesn't keep any of my events, but it's just pretty. It's like just a pretty little widget to have. So I do have like things organized in my front page. Like you can see I do have folders and stuff, but I lose all folders after that. So I do have essentials. What's in my essentials? Pinterest. All my essential apps: Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, TikTok, Snapchat, and my phone. This is really weirdly organized. Let me go to the App Store actually and see if there are any fun like widgets we can download to better organize my phone. Let's try this and see if it helps us. Okay, let's see what Screen Kit has to offer. Select just, oh, I love neutrals. That literally looks like my wallpaper. Select your interests. Why is Among Us its own interest? You're lying. That's so ridiculous. Slime. Okay, this is made for children. I'm using a child app. Easy install. Oh my god, this is crazy. I actually had no idea this would be a thing. Okay guys, so that app is a bust. You have to pay for it, so we're not doing that. We're doing Aesthetic Kit. Here, there's like a bunch of widgets. You have to pay for it too, but like, I think there's like, you can do some for free. Okay, I'm so frustrated. So never mind, I hate all that. Don't do any of that. Okay, let's just like organize just from what I have already. Let's start from like the most unorganized page, which is this page. Oh, Spotify widget could be really fun. That's cute. What if I like change it to my playlist? Will it show my picture? Ah, it shows my picture. That's really cute. Let me like also clean this out because I don't use whatever command is. Remove this app. This I don't know, but I'll keep it anyways. But let me like also move these. I also want to add Snapseed. It's like my favorite Instagram app right now. Let me move that. Oh my god, girl. We got Instagram. So shopping, I have Urban, Wish, DHgate, Amazon. I don't really use them, but I don't want to like delete them. Travel, I have like a lot of travel stuff. I think this is to find like airplane deals. Embark sucks, I'm deleting that. Okay, so I'm gonna add the bus one. Money, which is just Venmo, Chase, and Cash App. I have Citizen, which I don't know why I have it on its own thing. Like I don't care that much. Let's just move it out. Clock, iPhone things, Apple Watch. Yeah, these are all of the stupid things that I don't need. Time Hop, I don't know why that's in there. Actually, I should start Time Hop again. That was really fun because I've been really reminiscing stuff lately. I guess I'll keep all of them because I feel like I have to. I have CoStar right up here because I'm insane. Starbucks, Baskin. Yeah, I just have all these for like little deals. Okay, oh, Open Table should go to food. Canva should go to productivity for sure. I think, you know what, New York State Wallet should go to the front since that's like me proving my COVID stuff. Like that should be in the front. CoStar, I don't know if it should be in the front anymore. Maybe it should just be with the pattern and just be like astrology nonsense. Yeah, we're just gonna make it astrology. And then here I have my batteries widget. Let's see what other widgets I can add. TikTok. Ooh, mail. That's interesting. These are all interesting. What's Pinterest gonna give you? You know what? Add widget. I'm gonna put it like here. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have one of my boards up. Oh, you know, this could be cute because I have like a fall one. Ah, that's so cute. Are you kidding? And then it's gonna change hourly which fall picture. So this is a connect to my Pinterest board, which by the way, my Pinterest is Jennifer-Biana. And it's gonna show me a bunch of fall pictures. That's a cute widget. This is like a manifestation app, so I might just put it into like astrology. Oh, Lyft should go to travel where like Uber is. And also let's see if there's any widgets here that I could add. I think I want to add the astronomy one just because it's really cute and I like this. There's so many styles. Oh my god. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't love it. Does it need to be white? I think it might need to be white. I don't know. I kind of hate it. Never mind, I realized I hated it. Okay. Are there more like Pinteresty type we can add? Because I really like the Pinterest one. Okay, I also want to have like Hulu and Netflix and all of that organized. So I'm gonna just move them into like TV shows. Also Yelp, let me delete that. Why do I even have that? New York City Ferry should go into travel. Why is Yik Yak in productivity? Delete Yik Yak. And Bumble, let me just put Bumble out since I'm currently using her to get friends. Okay, so Telegram is like a talking app. I'll just put that into productivity. Oh, Time Passage is like an astrology app, so I'm just gonna add that into spiritual. And Giphy, I don't really want that. Live Nation, it's like a concert app, so I'm just gonna delete that because I don't need that. This one is actually a productivity app because it's like for my college to like log in somewhere and you need it. Facetune video that goes into Instagram. Yeah, we're just putting Google Chrome to the front. I should move these to productivity. They're like for editing podcast stuff. So I guess I should move it to Instagram. All I have is a lot of Instagram and travel. Citizen I'll put on a second page. Paired, this is like a cute little dating app thingy that me and my boyfriend use to like, it like asks you questions every day. We kind of fell off on doing that. I'm gonna delete Teams because I used that for like an interview once. Oh, let me do maybe a Google Calendar in the front. Oh wow, I think I'm like, yeah, I got rid of a lot of my apps. I have no idea what Dice is, so I'm just gonna delete that. Wow, we really organized a lot because I just took out a whole freaking homepage. So then this is gonna go here. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I want to add, oh wow, I forgot I had all this missing. Is Docs? There's nothing in Docs? Oh, there is. Oh my god, there's like a whole Docs thing. I'm gonna hide it because I don't like how it looks. And I'm gonna hide Zillow in something. I'll just put Zillow in travel even though it's not really travel. Let me see if there's anything else cute that I want to add. Maybe I'll do another Pinterest one. Let's do another board, why not? What if I did living life? Because that's like just my pictures. So that could be kind of cute. But I kind of want Spotify up there and that one down here. So just want to move this. Okay. I think that's cute. Oh, I need to move some. So not gonna lie, that one's a fun one just to let people ask you questions. Let me do ZocDoc. All greens. Okay, let me just move all of these around here. Okay guys, I think this is it. I don't know if I did much. I don't know if this is like what you guys really wanted to see, but the beginning looks the same, just more folders. We added a cute little Pinterest widget right here that'll switch photos every hour. And then the Spotify up here, which is cute. And then another Pinterest one of just my own pictures. Yeah, I think that's really cute. I actually might add a Find My Friends one because I do really love to use that. Yeah, and we narrowed it down to 3 pages after it was like 6, so that seems successful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye guys.